East Coast Rail Link, a mega rail project in Malaysia being built by the China Communications Construction Company, has seen its first tracks being laid on Monday. On this occasion, Malaysian Transport Minister Loke Sufuk hailed the project for its benefits to the local economy. He also said advanced track laying equipment from China helps a lot in improving the railway's construction efficiency.
我们也非常的满意，因为它的那个速度非常的快。根据我们了解，每一天呢，它可以铺1.5公里的这个铁路，所以这个是非常快的一个速度来的。
CCCC Chairman Wang Chongzhou said the installation of tracks marks another important milestone for the project.
马东铁项目是中马两国共建“一带一路”的重点项目。本次的铺轨工程启动仪式，是项目的又一个重要的里程碑。它标志着项目将从线下工程转向线上工程的施工，预示着我们距离马东铁项目的顺利完工更近了一步。
The ECRL runs from Malaysia's largest transport hub, Port Klang, and travels across the peninsula to Kelantan State in northeastern Malaysia.